Oh, here, let me follow you with all your watering.
This is a sweet sop.
That's a sweet sop?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this something you brought or they got it?
It was there.
Okay. And this is the one you planted yesterday?
Yes, on 2 down there.
And that's a plum, right?
Yeah.
That's a yellow plum or
That's the yellow plum.
That's the yellow plum.
And those 2 down there is the red one.
Where? Down where? No. Oh, down here. Okay. These are the red plums down here. Okay. Very cool. What's this? What's this?
That's cherry.
Cherry tree?
Yeah, the cherry like that, but fall over the house.
Oh, like Paul's? You took a branch off Paul's? We're getting a little sun. We're still under the weather, but I decided, well, you know, I'll just come out and do a little video today and get a little sunlight. It'd be good for us. That sun does feel good. You just took that from a branch off Paul's? That cherry tree was just from a branch off Paul's?
So that is a big cherry tree. It's Shelley planted there. It's here a long time.
Oh.
Yes, that's a tree that is growing.
From seeds or from?
Cherry don't grow by seeds.
Oh, they gotta be grafted.
Yeah, so grafted.
Yeah. Or what's that other thing you call?
What?
Where you wrap the root?
What did you talking about?
When you wrap the root in something and then plant it?
What you talking? Wrap the root?
Yeah, well, yeah, you wrap it and make it till it goes to root. Remember you were telling...
Circumpose?
Circumpose. Yeah. I couldn't think of the man's name.
This is a cherry tree that she buy and plant.
Oh, I see.
People who know.
Yeah.
You don't know what is going on here.
Huh?
You say you don't know what is going on here because you're on the inside. This is a plum.
This is a plum tree. What color you don't know?
This plum is just one color. This is the plum that part of what is house.
Oh, the June plum.
Yeah, June plum.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because there's a plum and then there's a June plum.
Because the ones that I plant, they are plum. You call it what? China plum.
China plum?
China plum.
China plum and June plum. All right, I'm going to go look at your pomegranate over here. Huh? Those are just flowers, huh?
Oh, this is orange color and that is pink rose.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what kind of flowers it is.
I don't know what that is.
I have to go water them.
Yeah?
I said I used to be full in this, but now I just have to. I can't manage to tell.
You'll have to give me a tour over here. Yeah, Madge, you're gonna have to give me a tour over here. Well, the sun kind of feels nice, you know. It's good to get outside and get some fresh air.
peaceful, dry.
Mm-hmm. Oh. What's that, you know?
The flowers, I don't know.
Oh, just another flower. All right. Seemed like you told me what this was one time, but I don't remember.
That's lemon.
Oh, the lemon. Okay. And I know what this is. This is pomegranate. It's growing well.
It soon start there.
Huh?
It soon start to bear.
Now, did you plant this from pomegranate seeds? The sprouted, and then you transplanted it?
I didn't know when I got the two plants here. The plants that were by the side of the house, but that you show me.
Yeah.
And I put the two of them here and plant them.
Yeah.
And then the person that was cutting the place made mistake and cut down one of the trees.
Oh. Oh, was cutting here.
You don't remember the pomegranate tree that were growing by the side of the house?
Yeah, where we threw seeds because that's our favorite nursery. For some reason, that rocky soil where the water runs off the roof and it's on a slope, it just really seems to work well for growing plants, you know,
See,
from seed.
Same things they were eating down this tree and it's meant to kill them.
Oh,
The same worms that were
oh, I
around.
see. I see. Yeah. Yeah, I see. The little green bugs. Did you spray them or?
No, you remember the worms that you take off my...
Yes, yeah.
Those are not bugs. They are worms.
Yeah, well.
Caterpillars.
Yeah, well, that's a bug to me.
Yes,
It's a worm is a bug.
Caterpillars.
Yeah.
The green caterpillars and some black caterpillar with white.
With the little white spots on it. Yes.
Yeah. I killed 5 of them.
On your lime tree. And this is a lemon tree.
So it's the same breed.
So they're
family. So
they're the same family, so they're the same kind of bugs are going to be a problem for it.
Yeah. So I kill them off.
How'd you kill them?
Just like when I kill the one off the lime tree, I just knock them off.
Oh, you just knock them off one at a time.
Smash them.
Okay, okay. I thought you sprayed something special on it.
But then afterward, shall I have something to spray?
Well, and you got to check it again too, because some of them might hatch. You know, there might be new ones that hatch.
There is none on it.
None. Okay.
Because like, if I see things like eggs, I hit
Okay.
water the pomegranate. Because the pomegranate could get water in it, that the root get deep in the earth.
Mm-hmm.
What is so dry?
Boy, they sure got the water pressure up here. Look how long it would take at home to do that.
And this thing is bigger than mine. That's how.
Yeah, it's bigger around.
Oh, no water. When I pull it, I have to hold the sprout and the end.
Boy, it fills quick too. Okay. You got to tell me all about where you going now.
I'm going back to the pomegranate.
Oh, you back to the pomegranate. Oh, you didn't water it yet.
I told you that I was going to have to water.
But I'm anxious to go over there. I'm getting ahead of the game. I'm not a patient for this farming business like you. Although I used to drive a tractor when I was a kid on the farm. And a combine and all kinds of something. And a cultivator and a cornfield. Yeah. Oh, the big farmer. So this will be soon barren, huh? Yeah. What's really growing, you can see the fresh growth. They're kind of reddish colored when they fresh grow. That's all fresh. That's all fresh. Yeah, it's kind of a... You know? And it started from a pomegranate seed that we threw alongside the house. Isn't that amazing?
This one, she, I think it's about 2 years time she start there.
Oh.
Also the line. She buy this at the nursery.
You know, I had a peach tree I bought from a nursery, and a couple and an apple tree, and I don't remember which one now, but they bared the very first year. But after that, I didn't get to eat any because it was on the side of the house where children would, I couldn't see it, and children would go eat them all. It wasn't my kids either. It was somebody else's kids. Who knows? Just, you know, they'd spot them. I mean, a kid sees a piece of fruit like that, they couldn't resist, you know.
That lady that much was interviewing,
Mm-hmm.
who cooked the vegetarian food, and she...
Oh, yeah, from India.
He's not from India. I think he's from like maybe...
Oh, Middle Eastern?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I wouldn't mind going there. You
remember her?
Yes.
Well, the peaches that she have at that place is grown here in Jamaica. They are small.
Okay.
Yeah, remember, Shelly's friend bring her some peaches that they grow.
Yeah.
They're small.
Well, Shelley's mom she's got some fruit trees up there that we didn't even know you could have in Jamaica, but it's so much cooler up in the mountains that you can have certain trees and things that you can't grow down where it's hot in Chiswick.
Yeah.
But when you get up in the mountains, it's just enough degrees cooler.
Maybe it could grow here too.
Well, that's about 1,600 feet right here, so yeah. Boy, they're really coming on that house up there. Look at that. They're really coming on that house up there. They're putting on the what do you call that? The cement primer. Okay, what's this? Do you know?
What it look like here?
A plant.
This is a banana.
That's a banana?
Don't this look like banana leaves? It's banana.
Oh, I never really, with these black spots.
Well, you have different type of banana.
Okay.
And these are some garlic plants.
Those are the garlics you brought and planted? That you brought this trip?
I planted some before I left.
And then planted some more again.
This pepper tree and pepper that.
Oh, this one's got a pepper. 2 peppers.
No, that's
3 peppers. Where'd this pepper tree come from? From your nursery at home?
No.
Okay. What's this?
Basil mint. Basil, you don't call it. Kind of mint. You can study.
Did the olive ear come from yours?
Yeah, but I don't know if it's gonna come out plenty because Shelly plant in deep.
Yeah, you can't plant them so deep because they're like a cactus. Yeah. Oh, and these are peppers over here too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Boy, I tell you what, you can't eat in Jamaica if you don't have Scotch bonnets, and it's nothing better than having them out of your own garden.
This is the pineapple that I set.
Oh, you set this? Okay.
Remember I set it and it was...
Oh, where you just take the top of it.
Yeah. And see, it's growing. I set it in water. See, Evan.
Oh, there's a lot of peppers on there.
These can pick.
Don't they need to turn yellow or no?
No, they are full. Remember,
They're
when you buy
full.
pepper, you can get the
Oh.
full one.
Okay. Oh, this is a healthy tree.
Yes, it's pepper that.
It doesn't have ants or anything on it.
You have to watch it to see that no worm don't come.
Yeah, but those ants are a killer at home.
Yeah, I have to watch it. If the worm there, I'm gonna do-
And then are these pineapples too?
Yeah, they are pineapple.
All three of those are pineapples.
Yeah.
Okay, I had no idea. That Madge, she knows everything about gardening. She just comes up with all kinds of stuff. And I get the benefit of it because she's my wife. Yeah, I get the benefit of having a wife that knows about such things. Boy, it feels good to get outside though. You know, I'm sweaty, but boy, after having the chills in the night, the sun feels good. That's what you were saying the other day, how the sun feels good, was feeling good on you when we were in the car. Yeah. Well, it's a nice little garden.
I'm gonna try the other kind. You smell the leaf? Take one of the leaf and smell it. Nice tea. You don't have to break the leaf.
I can smell it. Let me crunch it. What is it?
Mint.
A mint?
It's a kind of mint. Bars, what you call it.
Yeah, yeah. Huh.
And then you have the peppermint.
I'm kind of congested, so I'm not smelling it a lot, but I am getting it. If I wasn't so congested, I'd be getting more. So hopefully by tomorrow we'll be able to go out again and do some video. Although it might be the next day before we can post anything. I may try to post this today, you know, even though it's not our regular kind of content. It'd be nice, you know. Anyway, I came out here thinking we were gonna roast some breadfruit, and Madge got out the coal stove, but the breadfruit's not ready yet. So here's the coal stove. So maybe tonight we'll start that up, and yeah, they're not ready yet. Too firm yet, huh? Yeah. Okay, sweetie. Well, I'm glad you're feeling better. I know we're not 100%, but I don't know what kind of bug we got, but man, you know, it doesn't seem like I get sick that often. So when I do, I'm kind of a pansy about it, you know. I'm a pansy. So, yeah. You look tired. You look like you lost a little weight again. I didn't. I gained about 10 pounds being here last week.
About 4 or 5 days I'm having the flu. I didn't know it was
Drinking 2 or 3 beers and eating crackers and eating cookies. That'll put some weight on you. So I got to cut out my bad lifestyle and get back to eating healthy.
You?
Yeah, me. Who you think I'm talking about?
No, but you always have bad lifestyle eating habits.
Okay, I got that on camera. Tell everybody.
My mouth is
Tell everybody about me.
My mouth is so dry.
Yeah?
I don't want to show it on the camera.
Huh?
I said my lips are so dry.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like I need to snort, but I'm trying not to do that on camera because a lot of times I was finding I had to do editing because when I was starting to come down with this, I was sniffling a lot. And it was making a lot of extra work doing the editing on the audio. So I might have snot running down my lip, but I'm going to try not to sniff. So, all right. Bless up, people. Be sure and like, comment, share, subscribe, and big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Subscribe for more content, more wonderful content from Tom and Madge on Red Button Journal. Oh, I still feel a little feverish, but we're getting better. We're getting better.